Hi guys, finally we give it a big kick to the 2020 drama that we have all been experiencing all around the world, and I really wanted to finish the year with a big bang, and here is a gift from me to you guys. This is a really fantastic helmet. This is an SR GP, so this is the like of Dovizioso used to ride on his Ducati, so this is top notch from the MotoGP category, and as you can see it's branded with the High Ride logo and the Italian flag. I think that the minimalistic approach to the graphic and the very nice pearl white color fits very well, and of course this is top-notch helmet, so you have plenty of safety and it's very light, plenty of ventilation. The aerodynamic shape with this sort of wing gives you the possibility to ride at high speed with high stability and to less twist to your neck, which is really important, and this has got very wide view, so this is really nice helmet, and I think that one of you will definitely enjoy it as soon as we reach the 500 comments under this video. And of course, if you subscribe, like and share this video, you get the chance to win it, or one of your friend might get the chance to win it and enjoy it. This is brand new, spanking new, and we have made the graphics specifically for one of you guys, so I really do hope that you enjoy the helmet and the feature. And of course guys, give it a thumb up, comment it if you like it, and well, even if you don't, just tell me what you would like as a shape or as a design on a helmet. We might be able to see it on the channel. You see plenty of helmets, vintage, cool, legacy helmets, but we actually do a lot of design ourselves, so we will publish more of our design later in the year, which are more cafe racer type. But nevertheless guys, please give it a thumb up, comment, like and share, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next year. Bye guys.